Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ktechgai. It works every time. So if you are new on this channel, I highly recommend that you subscribe to the channel, comment in the section below, give this video a thumbs up, and ultimately share it with your friends and family. Okay, so today we are going to talk about audiomack. So audiomack is a great and a cool app, and it has tons of advantages. One is that once you sign up with the app and you download any music that you like so much, um, it is stored offline for you, which means that you can play it again and again um, without needing internet. And also, when you lose your device, you can log into your account and still have all of your favorite songs that you might have downloaded offline. But sometimes you want to have the music file right into your phone so that one, you can share with a friend, two, you can set it as your ringtone, and audiomack does not allow you to do that. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how you can um, transfer or copy all the music files that you have downloaded offline under your audiomack account right into your phone, so that you can go directly under your phone storage and play them, set them as your ringtone, and more. Okay, so without much ado, let's get right into it. So first step is launch your audiomack app. Okay, so right here, your audiomack, launch it like this. Okay, so once once it is launched like this, look for a song you probably want to download, or in your case, if you have downloaded some files already, then you can skip this portion and follow along. So let's suppose we do not have a single song, so let's search for Joe Metal. Joe Metal, everything, my everything. I love that song to bit. My everything. Lord help me. Okay, so my everything. Alright, that comes up. That's the first song. Hit it. Okay, so that's naturally the way we search for songs. Play them for a sec or two and know that if you like it, go ahead and download it. So say what? Um, rate audiomack. Do you think audiomack is a 5-star app? That's not what we are here for today. Maybe later, maybe later. So okay, right over here. I think I have a good internet connection, so it's already downloaded here. So are you sure you want to delete? No, that's not what we want. So let's go under let's go to our library now. So my library, and look for downloads. Right here, it is downloaded here. So my everything is downloaded here together with about 3 songs I have already last made running, and Mafikizo, another song, and Shakira, Try Everything. Okay, so now that we, now that we are well aware that we have these songs offline under our account and we can play them without the internet connection, now let's go to our phone and do the transfer. Okay, so exit the app, and I don't know what kind of phone you have, but you have to navigate your way to your files. So in my case, I'm going to my files. You may have ES Explorer on your phone, or any other file explorer that your phone may be running. So go to my files and go under internal storage. Okay, so under internal storage, navigate to a folder called Android. Okay, so launch that, and inside this folder you see cache, data, media, and OBB. So what we are looking for is supposed to be under data inside this folder. But here's the problem that we are going to solve. So with some phones, once you enter the data folder, you are going to see the number of files that you have under your audiomack account. Okay, so in our case we had 4 songs. Last made Love Potion by that South African Joe Metal and Shakira Try Everything. So 4 songs. So we were supposed to see 4 files over here. Okay, and we would have gone ahead and do what we had to do with it to convert it to an MP3, so that we'll ultimately have it in our phone storage, so that we may be able to use them. Okay, so with some phones it gives you this warning: due to Android restrictions, the content of this folder can only be shown on a computer. I guess this is as clear as daylight. Okay, it simply tells us that due to some restrictions, the content of this folder can only display on a computer. This requires us to now connect our phone to a computer. Okay, and once you do that, it is as simple as ABC. When you connect to the computer, then you can easily access the files and go on and do the next step. Okay, so let's go back a bit, a step. Let's go back a step, right here. Okay, so for those who may not have this one, and I decided to copy the files to show you, so that in your case you would go ahead and do the next step. So in this case the files would appear like this. So these are the files that we would have seen in that folder. Okay, so the next step is that once you find the files, okay, I don't know if you're familiar with this, but on most computers and most devices, these icons or these thumbnails represent document, okay, or represent unusable file, given the kind of device it is showing on. Okay, so in this case it tells us that our device cannot read this kind of file. It's unreadable or unusable, right? Okay, so okay guys, so if the kind of phone that you have um supports, and it shows your files inside the data folder, okay, then all you need to do is just follow the next step, okay, which we're about to do in a sec. So hold hold the file like this, and choose the more, go to rename. Okay, and in this case if you have the file name of head, then you go ahead and type Joe Metal dash my everything, right? Okay, so my everything dot Okay, so make sure that the mp3 is in lowercase, so mp3, and click rename. This is the one that you get. The file extension will be changed. This may cause the file to become unusable. Yeah, we are aware, sir. So go ahead and say change. Right. Okay, so now the difference is clear. These other three files totally unusable, and the one that we just converted, Geometry, my everything, is now converted to mp3, which means you can go ahead and play it right here. So you can go ahead and play it, and it allows you to choose a player that can play for you. Yeah, yeah. So this is actually not Geometry songs, but for the purpose of the tutorial, that's why I used it. So that's basically how you can um transfer the songs that you have offline under your audiomack account into your phone storage. Okay, so as many songs that you may have, you have to rename each of them and change the extensions to .mp3. The extension is just the .mp3. Every file has got an extension, and the extension um extension gives you a clue what type of file it is. So just because it is .mp3 suggests to us that it is an mp3 file, it is a song. So if it had been .mov.ai, it would have suggested to us that it is a movie file. I hope that's clear enough. Okay, thank you for seeing this video, and if you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. Comment in the section below. Tell me if this one works for you, and share it, and subscribe to the channel. Most importantly, thank you for watching again. I'll see you in the next one.